the whole Forex market is ranging, so it's not much opportunity because US dollar are not moving much at the moment. Let me explain to you why. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Every weekend we broadcast Forex, crypto, stock market updates, so make sure you subscribe if you'd like to learn more about the financial market. Let's get right into the dollar index, okay? It's very important that you need to see what exactly is the dollar index is doing. So on a daily, well, let's start off with weekly and see what the hell is happening. So I like to start with a time frame. Very much still bullish, okay? We're still on the phase one. We don't have much retracement. One weekly bar and then buying, and then now we're inside bar. Going down to a daily, you will see, are we forming up a so-called, if we go to a 4 hour, you will see, are we forming up a potential head and shoulder pattern? Yes, it's a potential. So shoulder, head, right shoulder is lower, but then this needs to break 105 before we can confirm it is. Even though it may just go down to 104. But then if we build up a base and get above 106, then it will open up more the room on the upside. For me, I'm sitting on the sideline until I can clearly see which direction it's likely to break. Okay, in this middle of the range, I have zero interest. So when I have zero interest, meaning that patience is required. Okay, that's why I don't just trade the Forex market. I trade the stock and the cryptocurrency market. Make sure you go to my channel to see the latest update, because I just invested quite a bit on the crypto market. Make sure you check out that video. Okay, so moving on to the flip side, which is the euro dollar. Euro dollar is, again, you know, we need to see what the hell is happening. Are we gonna break higher back this 106? Maybe I will short term, maybe, very unlikely, but maybe I will short term buy it to 108. Okay, we'll see. But then I'm still bearish on euro, so if it breaks this, come back to 105, yes, the next 4 hour lower high, I'll look to be a seller. A few more days, probably end of the week or something. Pound is tricky. I don't really like the price action, so these need to break first. So let's see if it breaks. If it break lower than 1.2, then yes, I look to be a seller. Okay. Kiwi, on the other hand, is the New Zealand dollar is the weakest currency. Already breaking support level. You know, when it drops, it's very hard to catch. You just have to use a 1 hour or 4 hour trend. So I would now, because it's 4 or 5 days into the phase one, I would use a bigger pullback on a 4 hour rather than an hour. So I like to see price come back to around the 58 area. Look for a good price action to sell it. Okay, so Kiwi is on my list to sell. Already set an alert. If you use our recommended broker IG, you can set it so around the 58.80, shall we say. Just go over here, price, sell price here, 5880. Set an alert, and you don't need to babysit the chart, because what's the bloody point anyway? For me, I know tomorrow is very unlikely. Could be Tuesday, could be Wednesday. I'll have a look at the chart maybe in the morning, in the evening. That's what I'm going to do on Monday anyway. So the rest of the chart, I don't like it, so I'm going to skip through to the gold and silver. Gold is, I said last week I wanted to sell it, but you know, it needs to stay below the trend line, so it didn't. Now it cleanly break through. So a shallow retracement, a phase two kind of type. Then I look to be a buyer above 1850, 1900 area, back to the top probably. So maybe because of the war, people are bullish. COD data is quite bullish. I don't want to go into detail. It's quite complicated. It tracks the smart money. Yes, it is. They're not selling as much, which is a bullish sign. So I like to be a buyer on gold. Silver, on the other hand, yes, is quite bullish, but again, price needs to stay above this area, so it needs around this 2250. Can't go below and do that. If it is, then buying gold will be off. So I like to see this level hold, okay, 2050, 2250 area hold. But would I buy it? I'll buy gold rather than silver, okay? So that's all for me for a Forex plan this week. Patience is required. Top of my list is to sell Kiwi. Maybe, you know, we'll sell Euro and Pound later on in the week, but Kiwi is top of the list, and then eventually maybe looking to buy gold. Do you agree with my plan? Do you have any question? Drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Take care.